If your Yahoo inbox has turned into a junk drawer that nobody ever actually cleans, offers you signed up for, alerts from senders you've never heard of, newsletters from what feels like 3 lifetimes ago, you already know the frustration. But Yahoo recently slashed its free storage from 1 terabyte all the way down to 20 gigabytes. That's a 97% cut. And spam is no longer just annoying, it's now burning through storage you actually need. Once you hit that limit, you can't send or receive emails at all. But Yahoo has actually made some real improvements lately. The inbox is cleaner, there are AI-based features that help surface important messages, and the spam filtering has gotten a little better. But here's the thing, Yahoo's filters still need you to train it, and no matter how good the filters get, it can't stop everything on its own. That's why knowing how to use the manual tools on top of it is still essential. Hi, I'm Lauren from the Clean Email app, an inbox management app that works with Yahoo, all other email providers, and it runs on web, iPhone, Android, and other devices. We've been around for over 10 years, and we've helped clean billions of emails every year. We don't sell your data or share it with third parties. It only uses your inbox to power the features inside the app. For each video, I tap into the expertise of the Clean Email team to make the best tutorials for you. Let's get into it. So here's the fix. Before we get into the manual controls, it's worth knowing what Yahoo is already doing in the background because a lot of people don't realize these features exist. Inbox categories. Yahoo automatically sorts incoming mail into tabs like offers, social, and newsletters. On mobile, these get simplified into offers and other. This is useful for keeping lower priority mail out of your main view. But it's important to know that sorting is not the same as blocking. These emails are coming in and taking up space. They're just in a different tab. The next, priority inbox. Yahoo uses AI to surface your most important messages in a separate priority tab, and it can show quick summaries and actions. Great for focus, but again, it doesn't stop junk mail from arriving. It just helps you see what matters more easily. This is the core of stopping spam emails on Yahoo, and it's worth doing properly, because every time you mark something as spam, you're not just removing one email, you're teaching Yahoo's filters what you don't want to see again. To mark emails as spam, select one or more messages using the checkboxes on the left side of your inbox. Then click the Mark as Spam button in the top toolbar. And that message is gone from your inbox and logged as junk. To block a sender entirely, which is the stronger option for repeat offenders, select an email or open it. Then open the 3-dot menu. Click Block Sender and Yahoo will show you the sender's addresses so you can confirm you've got the right one. You can also choose to block all future messages from that address and delete any existing ones from your inbox at the same time. Hit OK and that sender is done. Here's where it gets a little limited. You can mark emails as spam on mobile or open an email directly and tap Mark as Spam. Yahoo will ask whether you want to unsubscribe or just mark as spam. Choose based on what it is. But Yahoo Mail Mobile doesn't let you block senders directly from the app. If you need to block someone, you'll have to switch to the web version. If there's a type of junk email that keeps getting through even after you've marked it as spam, the same kind of offer, the same subject line pattern, sketchy domain, that's when filters become your best tool. Filters let you write your own rules, so matching messages skip the inbox entirely and go straight to trash, archive, or whatever you want with them. Now here's how to create a filter in Yahoo Mail. This is a web-only process. Open Yahoo Mail on the web and click the More menu on the left sidebar. Open Settings in the left-hand menu, select Filters, and click Add New Filters. Give your filter a name, something you'll recognize later. Set your rules. You can filter by sender, subject line, or other conditions. Choose what happens to those matching emails. Send them to trash, archive, or a specific folder. And click Save. Now that filter automatically runs every time a matching email comes in. The honest note here though, Yahoo's filter options are more limited than a dedicated tool. You can't do a complete rule combination the way you could with other setups. But for straightforward patterns, a specific domain, a reoccurring subject line, a sender you keep seeing, it works okay. Now, if everything I've just walked you through feels manageable, but time-consuming and maybe even a little confusing, or if you want a setup that handles this automatically instead instead of manually, this is where things get a lot smoother. Here's what Clean Email does that Yahoo can't do on its own as efficiently. The unsubscriber takes what Yahoo's one-click unsubscribe does and runs it a completely different scale. Instead of hovering over emails one at a time, the unsubscriber pulls every mailing list, newsletter, and reoccurring sender into one single view, and you can simply go through and hit unsubscribe or keep receiving in a couple clicks. And if you've got years of subscriptions piling up in your Yahoo inbox, this is how you efficiently clear out the annoying ones in one session instead of one email at a time. And if you really want to go crazy, you can hit select all and unsubscribe from everything in your inbox. The next feature is auto clean. It lets you set rules that run automatically as new mail arrives. Things like send anything from this domain straight to trash or archive newsletters older than 30 days. Yahoo's filters can do some of this, but auto clean gives you more flexibility and handles the repetitive cleanup tasks that otherwise eat up time every day. It has way more customization features than Yahoo's native tools. It really lets you make your inbox your own. This combination can solve your Yahoo headache at scale. And if you really want to clean up Yahoo storage, you can select all and delete your whole inbox with Clean Email. There's a link in the description for 20% off for our premium plan. It is free to try though. So to stop spam emails on Yahoo, start by marking junk correctly and blocking repeat senders so Yahoo's filters learn what you don't want. Use filters for the patterns it keeps missing, and if you want a faster and more hands-off setup that actually scales, Clean Email handles the rest. Happy unsubscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.